Hey, look at the Subi. So as you guys can see, it's starting to look really nice. Getting everything done. Got the wing, and boy does it look good. Makes it look so aggressive in the rear. Really matches. I like that angle right there. It's nice, man. Look at this quality. It just rained, so sorry about that. And like I wanted to say, guys, man, happy holidays. It's getting there. Just want to say thank you guys so much, man. We passed 21,000 subscribers. 21,000 subscribers. It's all because of you guys. So we got this car. We got a lot of stuff coming to the channel. Man, y'all, it's gonna be so awesome, man. We got the lip and splitter and diffuser and on the wing, but when we get the new front bumper, the side skirts and the rear bumper, we're gonna be able to put everything together, and it's gonna be just fantastic, man. I'm really looking forward to it. And if you guys are interested, definitely get the World Rally Blue. My favorite color by far on these Subarus. Even when it's all rainy, it just looks so good, man. But anyway, y'all, thanks again for everything, guys. Happy holidays. Hope everyone stays safe. Stay blessed, y'all, and keep going after your dreams and make them reality. Have a blessed and great day, guys. Peace.